Wedged between the high wall of the Himalaya and the steamy jungles of the Indian plains, Nepal is a land of snow peaks and Sherpas, yaks and yetis, monasteries and mantras. There are few countries in the world that are as well set up for independent travel as Nepal. The biggest problem faced by visitors to Nepal is how to fit everything in against the backdrop of some of the world's most dramatic landscapes. Nowhere else can you trek for days in incredible mountain scenery, secure in the knowledge that a hot meal, cosy lodge and warm slice of apple pie await you at the end of the day. The historic centre of Old Kathmandu is an open-air architectural museum of magnificent temples, pagodas, pavilions and shrines. Durbar Square is very much the sacred heart of the city and the backdrop to several spectacular festivals. Topping many people's travel bucket list is this 2-week-long trek to the base of the world's highest and most hyped mountain. This 19-day hike around the 8,091-metre Annapurna Massif is Nepal's most popular trek, and it's easy to see why. The lodges are comfortable, the mountain scenery is superb, and the crossing of the Throngla provides a physical challenge and is immensely satisfying. The Kathmandu Valley boasts the world's most dense collection of World Heritage Sites. Of the valley's 3 former cities, medieval Bhaktapur is easily the most atmospheric and is bursting with temples, pagodas and ornate pools. Down in the humid plains, Chitwan is one of Asia's best wildlife viewing spots and the place to don your safari togs and head into the dawn mist in search of rhinos and tigers. High season runs October through November. The spring brings warm weather and spectacular springtime rhododendron blooms. Travel costs in Nepal can range from less than $40 a day if you enjoy a dinner and breakfast in a trekking lodge to over $100 a day for a top-end hotel or lodge. Tourist buses are comfortable and taxis are good value for shorter trips. Where else can you trek for weeks among the world's highest mountains, explore medieval temples, and then track tigers through steamy jungle plains? Honestly, nothing comes even close to Nepal.